Coming back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. This is how dark my garage used to be. Actually, it was a little darker because I only had one light bulb. But let me show you what good lighting looks like. It's amazing. You could see everything. So in this video, we will be doing Godspeed Mono SS coilovers. Those pink things over there. So let's cut to the video of me actually trying to do something. So there's the length difference. I can unscrew this and make it the same height, or keep it 3 fingers shorter. Oh, and then turns out I don't need this because mine doesn't have it. So here they are installed. I didn't have to take the upper arm off. I used one of the jack poles, wedged it in here, between there, pried this way down. I think I'm going to have to get adjustable sway bar links because that's pretty close. I think I got the height a little low right now because that's where it's sitting on the wheel well right now. On top, that's what they look like. Nice and pink. I got my green air filter. Maybe I'll just paint everything pink in here. But I'm still debating about using their little hardware or my old hardware because it throws on. So that is basically it. There's plenty of videos on how to put coilovers on a Miata. Maybe not Miata Falcon, but it's literally the same shit. Undo the sway bar links. Get a big pole like this guy here out of my other jack stand. That little recess right there fits perfect on the subframe bolt that's stuck down, and I was able to, like I said, wedge it in right there, push down on the upper arm, so able to pull it down and pull the shock out, just like all the other videos. So I'm going to tighten up the last of the nuts and bolts and maybe do the back, because yeah, the factory ones don't come out that easy because they're so much longer than the ones going back in. The ones going back in, you barely got to breathe on them. But there we go. Let me tighten the bolts and cut to the back. So here's the Godspeed Momo SS coilover. Both sides are in. I don't know if you can see the other side, probably not. But that is what it looks like. This is where I'm at. So yay me. Here's my fuel filter. You can see a little pink through the other side there. And there's the other Momo. So, alrighty, let's see how it looks on the ground now. So here we go, guys. They are in. I got a block under the front because I couldn't get the jack out while the back was up. Let's get the flashlight on here. I'll zoom in, little light. Boom, coilovers. So ground clearance wise, it's not terrible. I mean, it's not like the arms are swooped up. They're actually pushed down a little. The axles look like they go up a little. But there we go. Then here is our little pinkish magenta strut towers. And then over here, let's see, I think I got decent ground clearance. Still need to hook up the power steering pump cooler. Might have to order something. Yeah, I think we're good. I mean, the wheels look about center. I mean, from here going across, I mean, looks about the same on both sides. There we go. Still need to put the hood on, seat belt. I have a third one on the way because I'm going to do three, depending what country you count in. And in the back, and then lap belts in the front, and then I can start doing sound deadening and stuff like that. Last video saw, yeah, the cluster's done. Speedometer cable's actually hooked up now. Going through the e-brake cable hole of the factory one didn't work. I had to pop through the tunnel. Let me show you. So I had to come through there. No big deal, it's far enough back. I may have been able to gone a little bit more forward, but end up coming down just right at the right angle and everything for me to just screw it in, and there was a bracket there that I was able to just zip tie to the bracket so it's not going to pop down or anything, and the speedometer works. Now I have some suspension in the car that's not super wobbly. I can tighten up the shocks, so I'm pretty stoked. So there we are. Godspeed Project Momo SS coilovers. Haven't driven them yet, but they went in pretty easy. Might have to still play with the preload, maybe a little bit more preload in the back, because to get these wheels out from these side skirts, I have to pull the lower strut bolt out, and it'll drop down another 3-4 inches, and I can put either a scissor jack there or, you know, the jack handle and pry down on it to get enough clearance. So side skirts, lower car, not easy to get done. So in the future, might be cutting those out and doing something. Some people buy front fenders and mold them onto the back. That way you have, you know, a bigger arch and whatnot. But let me drive the car first and see how it goes. I still need to do a thermostat because it got stuck, and I might have to buy another radiator because it may have popped it. Not too sure. Nothing's leaked since it got hot, but we'll see how it goes. But thanks for liking, subscribing. Peace out.